Good morning, Mrs. Chen. How are you today?
Oh, Brown, I'm so worried. My cookie is lost.
Mrs. Chen's dog Cookie is lost. Let's help find him.
Oh no, I love Cookie. We must help.
You are good helpers. Be brave and kind. Help Mrs. Chen find her puppy.
Let's ask at the shops. The baker, the shopkeeper, everyone. Have you seen a brown dog?
We will ask everyone. Thank you, Dad.
I know what to say. Excuse me, have you seen a dog?
I'm ready. Let's go find Cookie.
I'll look behind every tree.
Come on, team. Let's go help. First, let's visit Mr. Lee at the bakery.
What does Cookie look like?
Brown and white, with a red collar. Excuse me, Mr. Lee, have you seen a brown dog?
A brown dog? I saw one near the park this morning.
Thank you, Mr. Lee. You are so helpful.
Excuse me, have you seen a lost dog?
Yes, a brown dog ran toward the old park, near the big tree.
The old park. Let's go there quickly.
Hello, I heard you are looking for a lost dog.
Yes? Did you see him?
I think I saw him near the old bench. Poor puppy.
Thank you, Cindy. You are very kind. We are getting close. Let's go to the old park.
Come on, Cookie, where are you?
I hope he's okay. I'm a little worried.
Here is the old park. Let's look carefully.
I'll check behind every bush.
Cookie, come out. Oh, it's raining now.
Look, raindrops.
Quick, let's stay here for a moment.
Poor Cookie. Is he wet? Is he scared?
I hope he found a dry place.
We must find him soon. He needs us.
We will find him together.
We can't stop. Cookie needs us. Let's go.
We are strong.
Look under every bush. Check everywhere.
Look, what is this? Something red.
A collar. That's Cookie's collar.
He's here. The collar is here. He's close. I can feel it.
Cookie, we're coming.
Stay together. Look carefully.
There he is. Poor Cookie.
Cookie, don't be scared.
We found you. You're safe now.
It's okay, Cookie. We are here.
You're safe now. Let's go home.
Cookie is so happy. He's a good dog.
We did it together.
We found him. Thank you so much. You were brave and kind today.
We helped our neighbor.
Our neighborhood is the best.
Together, we can do anything.
Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.